Hello everyone. Welcome to the Blender tutorial. Here I will teach you a step-by-step tutorial using 3D Blender software. This tutorial starts from basic to advanced level. Let's get started. To create text, we select the Add menu and select Text. The text will appear in the 3D workspace. Press R and X and 90. This rotates x-axis 90 degrees. Or we can type here. To change the text, we go to Edit mode, then we delete the default text, and we enter new text. Return to Object mode. Press icon A. This is a symbol text properties. To the Geometry menu. Then to Extrude and add the extrude value as we want. We add a little depth so that the lines of the letters are slightly curved. Very easy. Okay, let's give it a color. Click the plus number on the material, then press plus again in this section. Move to Preview Material. We choose green. This icon is to change the preview material. The color here is only in the viewport, not the rendering. In the material viewport it will be displayed in rendering. We can change the color according to what we want. We try to move the text. Just simple movements. We activate Auto Keyframe in the timeline. We create a keyframe in frame 1. Us to frame 150 on the timeline. Then we move the text. Very easy. I will continue to the next tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, so that I am more enthusiastic in making the next tutorial. Good luck, and thank you very much.